In pursuit of enhancing sustainable mobility solutions, the Rhino range of EV trucks being introduced. A new age range of electric heavy-duty trucks in new avatar. The vision extends further to redefine the industry by improving quality of life through eco-friendly mobility and building sustainable, efficient, future-ready transportation. Our mission is to enhance logistics efficiency through innovative, customized e-mobility solutions for goods transport with a consultative approach. Under the Montra Electric brand, we at IPL Tech Electric Private Limited are a subsidiary of TI Clean Mobility Private Limited, aiming to leverage the esteemed legacy guided by the strong values of the Murugappa Group. Featuring a cutting-edge 5-acre manufacturing plant in Manesar, Haryana. With a conveyor production line and manufacturing capacity of 6,000 trucks per annum and in-house fully automated battery assembly facility operated by female employees. This cutting-edge facility with an annual production capacity of 1.7 GWh, equivalent to 6,000 truck battery packs on a 2-shift basis. The plant is equipped with robotic and axial gantry systems, Poka-yoke mechanisms, leveraging AI-enabled cameras, precision testers and laser systems to guarantee quality at every stage. Truck plant is having semi-automated line, which has the capacity to produce 6,000 trucks annually on a 2-shift basis, and further expandable to 3rd shift. This new line is designed with 1 chassis pre-assembly station and 5 synchronous conveyor stations, combining efficiency with precision. Every vehicle undergoes a rigorous testing process to ensure the highest standards of quality and customer satisfaction. Montra Electric is leading the evolutioning journey of Indian trucking industry. And the Rhino range of EV trucks stands as your prosperity partner, the Green Way.